In a quiet village lived an old, poor woman named Rani. She had silver hair tied in a braid and always wore a simple blue cotton sari. Each piece of thread was saved over the years, carefully collected from clothes, rags, and gifts. People laughed at her. "Why save junk?" they teased. But Rani would smile and say, "No thread is useless if you know how to use it." One morning, a little boy came with a torn school bag. Rani picked a bright yellow thread and stitched the bag with gentle hands. The boy left smiling, his bag stronger than before. Another day, the temple flag ripped in the wind. Rani fixed it with orange thread. The flag waved again. People began to wonder, maybe Rani's thread had value after all. Then came a storm. Thunder roared. Rain fell like buckets from the sky. Rani sat alone, hugging her basket of thread, when suddenly a man knocked, carrying his daughter, bleeding. The cloth they used was soaked. He begged for help. Rani reached for her red thread, stitched a clean bandage, and wrapped the girl's wound. The bleeding stopped. The child was safe. That little piece of red thread saved a life. That night, the girl slept peacefully in Rani's life. A few days later, the villagers put up a banner, "Thread of Hope, Sewing Classes by Rani." The same people who once laughed. In her courtyard, Rani sat in her blue sari, silver braid resting on her shoulder. She taught little girls how to stitch, how to mend clothes, and how to believe in small things, because what the world sees as worthless can become someone's life in the right hands.